Tackling pronunciation pitfalls. Korean speakers meet English. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive deep into some common pronunciation challenges that Korean speakers often face when learning English, focusing specifically on the concepts of aspiration and word final consonants. By the end of this video, we'll provide some tips and tricks to overcome these challenges. So, let's get started. In English, certain consonants, specifically P, T, and K, are often aspirated. This means that a puff of air is released when pronouncing them at the beginning of a word or syllable. As a Korean speaker, you might find this tricky because in Korean, the same letters are unaspirated when they're at the beginning of the word, leading to a softer sound. Tip: practice these sounds by placing your hand in front of your mouth. When pronouncing words like pit, top, or kick in English, you should feel a noticeable puff of air. Keep practicing until you can consistently produce this aspirated sound. Another tricky area for Korean speakers is handling word final consonants in English. In Korean, words rarely end in a consonant, except for n and ing. Because of this, when a Korean speaker sees an English word that ends with a consonant, they might unintentionally insert a short vowel sound after it. Tip: to overcome this, focus on ending the word sharply after the final consonant. For example, for the word and, try to avoid adding an extra sound at the end. So it's not anda, it's just and. The key to improving your pronunciation is consistent and mindful practice. It might feel strange or unnatural at first, but over time, these new ways of pronouncing words will become more comfortable. Tip: practice reading English aloud, focusing specifically on the aspirated sounds and word final consonants. You could even record yourself and listen back to pinpoint areas for improvement. That wraps up our session on tackling the common pronunciation challenges faced by Korean speakers learning English. We hope you found these explanations and tips helpful. Remember, it's all about practice. You're already doing a fantastic job by seeking out resources to improve. Keep up the great work and, most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. See you in our next video.